live. And once again, I forgot to put up music. But we'll just. Oh, this isn't too bad. Alright, let's see how loud it is. Alright, here we go. That's good. Alright, so in the off stream, I believe I have finished the full model of the restaurant, and I've got it in a separate scene. Hold up, this is really loud. In restaurant map, as you can see, this is the exported model. It's got reflection probes, which is real time. It's real time lighting, meaning I don't have to like bake it into the game. However, it's not every frame, so since it's real time, it also looks quite crappy. Yeah, but here is the restaurant in the game. It doesn't look as good as it does in the Blender, but I'm still quite happy with it. I would like to improve the reflection probes though, but other than that, that's pretty good. But that's not what we'll be working on today. Today I'm going to be continuing on with an algorithm that I was developing for calculating the daily expectation, how many customers should appear each day. So yeah, let's do that. Scripts. Oh wait, that's scenes. It is daily expectation. I think I called it ghost expectation. I should organize this. Here it is. Here's the script. Okay. So we got day 1 parameters. So where were we last time? Calculate the daily expectation. Alright, so we got the... I did a little reference to help with the daily expectation. So I just drew some paint. So this is like the average score would be from the previous day. The level is obviously the current level, and the number of customers that will be determined at the start of the day, which is calculated here. So anyways, you got these 3 variables. I will make the total amount of average scores, which it will just be the average score. This is just average score per customer, and this is like like all the average scores with applied number of customers. So as you can see, you get 3.6 here. Then you make another variable called final score, and what I do here is I then take the average score number for each new number of timesing the average score per customer by the number of customers for the day. Then I minus the number of customers minus the score, so that will be plus that. And then this just says the level divided by 10, and then that gets 4.6. That's the expectation when considering just the average stuff. It's 3.6, and this is actually doable because there's 6 customers, and the max score you can get from each customer is 100% or 1. It's kind of weird how it's calculated. It's calculated in percentages, then it gets added on, and that's kind of the expectation right there. So we'll use that model on the side here. So calculate daily expectation. So get average customer score. That's that's one right there. And we got customer scores.count. I haven't opened the script in a while, so where do we get customer scores? Okay. So we just, right, okay, we make a new variable, then we get the customer scores list from the data, the database. Okay, so let's see here. Calculate daily expectation. So we get the average customer score. Then we get the current level. And then we get the expectation. Oh wait, no. Okay, so I did it. Okay, yeah, we did it weird. Okay, so following this paint document I made, so have we got the number of customers? We don't. Oh wait, okay, we do. Okay, perfect. So let's see what we got here. So we got the number of customers, current level. Okay, so we'll make float. We'll make a new line. We'll say average expectation. This will just be temporary because, oh whoops, forgot to have the data type. Will be the average customer score multiplied by number of customers. So we got that, and then we will return the final one, which will be the final score, average expectation, plus number of customers minus that's minus 3.6, so that would be the average expectation. And then we times this. Okay, so we don't need to worry about brackets here. We do for this part, but since we got bad mass over here, I don't need to surround it by brackets, have it higher up in the precedence. So that will be times by 4, we'll have brackets here, 4 divided by 10. This will give us the expectation. Okay. Obviously I need to play test this, and we need to do some adjustments to this code. Especially, I don't think the player will be getting enough time. And I think, I mean, maybe we can extend the shift time for each night, so there can be more customers, more of a challenge, more stakes, which I think is very important in a game. You need the risk and reward system. Okay, so has the player met requirements? So this will be easy. We just need to. So this private float. This doesn't need to be static because it gets calculated every day. Okay, so has the player met requirements? So we need to access the all the scores. So we got the expectation. I'm just trying to think here. Have we got this in the database? We might. Yes, service times gets, that returns a list. This will need to be altered later. Load data. Okay, so that'll be easy. So we'll just make a little method here, private floats get player's customer score. It needs to return something. We'll just say 0f for now. So for we can make a for each loop here. We'll just make a float temp score equals 0 for now. For each item we need to make a float score total score float score in data.get customer scores, and then that returns a list, so we have to say, oh no, it's a for each loop, so that will work. Then we need to temp total score plus equals score, then we return temp total score. Okay, and now if get player customer score returns the player's customer score, if that is greater than or equal to expectation, we'd say return true, and that will trigger the win condition. Else, return false. So that's the win condition. So let me run through this code, because we add a customer score that is, the thing is, okay, yeah, so when the timer is 0, we then calculate the score. We all scores. This is a static, so it can be transferred across. Okay. Thing is, we only need all scores when we are calculating the expectation, because this is from the previous day. This is the data from the previous day. And then after that, it's gonna have to reset, otherwise that would just ruin the whole point of the game. So I'm pretty sure we need a method called clear scores. Okay, we have that. Alright, so then after we calculate the expectation, we say data.clear scores, because now we no longer need it. And this set day parameters. Yeah, that calls all this code. Yeah, and then we clear the scores after that, so the player can add, so the customer scores can be added. Alright, so that clears the scores. I just want to make sure that this can work. So I just want to make sure the static variables can be transferred across scenes. I'll make a new script. We'll just put it in the root of content. I'll just make this called static test. I don't know, we'll put it like on an object, just any object. Put it on event system maybe, so I know it's there. Alright. Private static, that doesn't need a capital. float number, just number, I guess. Set that, if it's in start, that'll be set to 0, so. But this is, should be fine here. Okay. Void start, we'll debug.log num static test plus number. Then we'll say if we press a key, key code dot q, then number equals 4. I don't know. I'm still learning stuff. Okay. Let's see here. So, number equals 4. Then we need a transfer scene. So, using Unity engine.scene management. Scene manager dot load scene. Current. We need the current scene. Get. Does this get? Wait, hold up. Where's a current scene? Is it called something else? Get active scene. That should be. I think that's right. Get active scene. Dot build index +1. Okay. Let's make sure there's another scene in the build manager. There is. For frick's sake. Okay. I must have been a bit angry when programming that. Alright, let's test this. Static test 0, that's the default. Hold up. No, is there not a camera in that scene? Oh, there's probably not a... Yeah, we need a script in that scene as well, so... Yeah, there's no camera there, so... Camera... Doesn't matter where it is, that's fine. We'll just have it on cube. Scenes, map 1. So static test 0, static test 4, no more builds. So, okay, yeah, we can transfer data across scenes now. We'll move component because we no longer need it. However, I'll keep it around just in case. You never know. Okay. So that's all good then. Hold up, my mom came. Okay. So alright, now, so this gets, okay, this public bool, so this is being end of day. Oh, we already got that script, okay. Is that public ghost expectation? Oh, that's right, when the day is completed, so that means one reference, follow that, end of day. Okay, so called when the end of the shift is true. So we'll have both of these pulled up. So we need end of day and time of day. If hazmat requirements, else death, and death, we'll just reload the scene. So I mean, there should be a death cutscene. We should actually make that though. Okay, yeah. We'll make a death scene. We'll just like do simple text, allow the player to play the game. And yeah, I'm just thinking here. All right, so we got quite a bit to do. So death screen. Make a canvas. We can make some art as well. Maybe we'll just make paint placeholder art in paint. Why not have some fun? Just we'll draw a dead body because he died to the ghost. Little bro died. Little bro dead. Alright. Incredible. What color text? So we'll just make it green. It doesn't matter how ugly it is, alright? We can change it later. Okay. Let me save that to pictures because I don't think I'm ever going to be using that. I'm going to be honest. Death. Kind of ominous just having a image on my computer called death. Canvas. We'll have this. Scale screen size. Screen overlay camera. Choose a camera. Okay, canvas. Create a UI. Raw image. I don't really know the difference between image and raw image. We'll call this background. The texture. Oh, we gotta have the texture in the scene. I forgot. Bam. Hell yeah. I don't set native size, yeah. Okay. That is goated. That is great. Little bro dead. Okay. We'll have some text. Text mesh pro, sure. You died. Just saying you died. We'll make that white. We'll make it black and then yeah, so it contrasts with the text nice and well. Okay. I don't know. This will do. Make it red because ominous. Don't worry, guys. This won't be in the full game. Just some placeholder art for now. Just having a bit of fun. Alright, then we need a button. Play again. Against. And give up. And then we'll insult the player. Call him an L player. Okay. We gotta. Now I'm thinking. I'm pretty sure we can reuse one of the scripts here. What script is it? It's not in saving. Pause game. That's literally just pause the game. Duh. There should be a script here called menu. I can't find it. Ah, menu. Main menu. Save game. Resume. We could use load game. Which will be that's in database. So load game will just that doesn't save anything, it just goes back to the current level. Yeah, so we'll make it new empty game object, call this functionality. Move this, and then we'll attach database to that. Power outage, we don't, it doesn't need any of that. I don't think so. Settings. Hold on, I need to look at the script again. Public game object settings. Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't need that. Play again. On click, we need to load game. Oh wait, hold up. Give up will make that go to main menu or something. Play again. Wait, no. It's under functionality. Hold on. Why didn't I just drag and drop? Database, load game, load data, sure. Then functionality. Do we have a quit? Oh, we do have a quit application. Nice. Is there a main menu? No main menu. Fine. So let's test it. You died. Oh, we haven't saved the game. Okay, well, let's test it. Map 1. We'll just go to the main menu for absolute clarity. Fully get a code. Save game. Continue. Okay, that should be saved. I'm hoping. Yeah, okay, saved, nice. Alright, that's good, that's really good. Oh yeah, this is the door script, by the way, guys. I don't know if I showed you this before. Resume doesn't work. Why doesn't the resume work? Did I not assign it? I don't think I ever did anything with resume. I don't know. I think that's just kind of a dead button. Alright, well, menu, resume. It has the functionality. It should work. Object not set to instance. Okay, main menu, line 13. Controls dot close menu. Public pause game. not set that? Got pause game. Hold up, I'm having a stroke. Here we go. Mate, now it should work. Hopefully. Just gotta hope. Yeah, nice. Alright, cool. Oh, I also forgot to tell you guys this, but I mean redoing the pickup system because it was so rigid the way it was before. Like I don't know, it just felt weird. You can it's more physics based now, and while you might not notice much about the pickup section, the pickup system, I made putting stuff on the plate more physically accurate, because before it would have its rotation and position frozen relative to the plate, so it would just move and rotate in perfect unison with the plate. But now it has its rigid body properties, but sometimes it doesn't quite work. It's quite on and off. Why is that? Let's see here, patty. Where did the patty go? Oh, it's green. So no, ignore raycast. Yeah. Okay. Now it works. Yeah. I don't know. Sometimes it's a little buggy, and I don't know how to fix it. Yeah. See, now it works nicely, and you can pull off the plate like it should in real life. Okay. Cool. Now let's see here. So the deaf screen works. I might back up this project because with the database, I'm going to do some tweaking. I don't want it to save the player position anymore because it's only meant to save if you beat the level, because it's gonna be, I don't know, it's just lame. It's a shift by shift game, and being able to save midway through and then coming back on the same data on the same night. No, I don't like that. So I'll just save where you the night you last got up to if you die, or if you pass the level. So I think this is good. I'm just trying to think here. I'll just back this up. I'm gonna try and see if I can move the entire project to a Google Drive. Go to Drive. Folder upload. Okay, why this music is cool, but all of a sudden it has a keyboard clacking, and it's kind of interesting design decision. Okay, where am I saving? Okay, I just need to find the project. load. It might be a bit weird because I have it open. It shouldn't be that bad though. Okay, we're about to make some serious changes here. Well, I have a save from like since Wednesday. And I haven't changed that much code. I mean, yeah, I haven't changed any code in the database since then. So we can just copy and paste if need be. Let's see here. So, we do not need any of this. Just need to save the customer scores. Oh, no. Wait. We should save the customer scores just in case. Just in case. I'm trying to think, because if you quit, it's gonna need to load it from the previous day. Alright. Where's the player? Oh, we're gonna have to change the player movement too, that's right. Load player last position. Goodbye. I'm gonna comment it out. That's safer. That's the better decision. And it's also in the anger meter where it loads. Yeah, here we go. Comment that out. Computer will ignore it. Comment this out too. No problems in this script. And no problem in this script. So then we'll just level. That's fine. We need to know if the game has saved the game. We keep that in. Keep that in. We also need service times, so we'll keep all those in. Yeah. Yep. And then level set int. We don't need. We don't need any of this. Has saved is equal to true. We also need that. Okay, nice. Since we can that out. I comment out. Oh no, I just flat out deleted it. Yeah, it's alright. Okay, we don't need anything else. This is crucial. I don't know if that should be in the database. That could be a little messy because one of the AI uses this, the howler, which is what I showed you in my last devlog, to throw objects in random directions. So we'll keep that. New game. Delete keys. These are never set. We need that. We don't need this, that. And then we need everything else. Wait, scoreless. Oh, shoot. We need to. Yeah, that could mess things up. We need to set int timeless count. Full times count. That will get set. Okay. We need to load this in, but delete key. Right. Comment all this out. And load scene 1, which is the default level. Seems right. And since the scene is 1, the ghost expectation will call the day 1 parameters. So close this script down because we don't need it. So we're in database. All right. Cool. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, so end of day. If day is completed, we'll call a new function called I'll make it public just in case. Public void. What's it called? It's win. Yeah. So close that for now. Debug.log. Player wins. Ghost excitation. So load scene. Then we need to save the game. So we need the data. Firstly, we'll move this into the win condition function. We will call that win. I guess we load the new level, and then we need a database. Ghost expectation, ghost expectation. That needs to be public, doesn't it? How else will I access that? I mean, I could just say game object or find component by type ghost expectation because there's only meant to be one in the scene. But we'll set it for now manually. Public database, database, data. Then we need to do oh wait. When we save, doesn't really matter if it gets. Yeah, okay, we can call it after we change the scene. So data.save data. And when I just need to make sure when we save the data, yeah, it gets the active scene that we are on. Right. I feel like this is just really tricky to playtest. Should we, I reckon we should debug.log the expectation time of day. It does get cold. I need to lay a game to know. I mean, theoretically, the code should work. I'm pretty sure we stitched everything up. Okay. Well, I think I might end the stream here because these programming streams really do take the nick out of you because it requires a lot of thinking and problem solving to get the desired effect you want for your game. So, off stream, I'm gonna keep working on this and try and figure out a way how I need to play test this because I'm gonna have to play like the game seriously to be able to get results and yeah, so I need to think about that. So I'll see you guys in the next stream or devlog, whatever comes first. And yeah, thank you for joining the 0 viewers. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.